Hey, this will be a video chart on our good friend GOIG, GOIP Global Incorporated. Been a while since I've done this, but want to get it updated here as we've had our pullback, and now it's just a matter of kind of seeing if we can get a good healthy bounce in. It's been doing well so far, doing a bit of consolidation the past few days, but from where it was, down here or down here, hanging around up here is much better. Now it's just a matter of making sure we can maintain what we put in and hopefully get this uptrend to keep going. And when I say uptrend, I mean very short-term uptrend, because the overall uptrend is up. We have this 50-day simple moving average clearly sloping upwards. We had the golden cross right here, which is just confirmation that we are in a strong uptrend. Now it's just a matter of making sure that this short-term uptrend we've started can continue to materialize. So that's going to be pretty much the main focus of this video. It's just kind of going over supports and resistances and how we want to see the price react in the short term. So in terms of supports, the one that I'm watching the most is this level right here. And I'll explain why in a second. Let me get it changed to green for support. But if you look back through the history of the chart, you can see that at this point it was resistance, here acted as support, here acted as support again. And now that we're up above it, I would like to see the price maintain this level and not drop below it. Now if it does, is it time to freak out? Not quite, but that depends on where the 50-day moving average currently is at that time. Because remember, as time increases, as each day goes by, the 50-day is going to continue to creep up and up. So let's just say for tomorrow, let's say this level were to fall. As long as the 50-day can hold, then the chart's going to remain bullish and relatively attractive. You can see right here, there's people sitting right down at the 50-day trying to get shares, and sure enough, the lucky ones got shares there and have made a nice little entry right there, because this is a key area of support. So it's one of those areas where you want to see it continue to hold strong, especially from the daily chart perspective. The longer this holds, the stronger and stronger the daily chart will become. But for now, obviously we're quite a bit of ways above that. The shorter term support level that hopefully it can continue to hold is just simply this level right here, where we actually bounced off it today. We had a little gap up there a few days ago, and this has been the level that's been holding. I'm going to make this line a little skinnier just because it's not what I'd call a must hold. But it is important. It is a support level, but at the same time, it's not like the chart all of a sudden falls apart if you do get any closes below this level here. Now, in terms of resistance levels, we actually got a thick one right now that we're doing battle with, and that's simply where the price has bumped its head three out of the past 4 days, being 0.01. So this level is a key resistance, and what I'm going to actually do is make it a thicker level, because this level has proven to be very kind of a pain in the neck. The good news with pain in the neck type levels like this is when they do fall, the price can really get moving and moving quick. So if 0.01 does fall and break, really the next area of resistance isn't going to be until up right around this area here. This is kind of an estimation. I'm just taking it, looking at where all these highs are. You can see all sorts of different highs, so I'm kind of just trying to throw it right in the middle there. But this isn't until way up here at 0.013. So percentage wise, that would be a nice little move there. I'm not going to get any further ahead of that. I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves. We'll just see how it continues. But for the time being, the overall trend remains up. But in the short term, it's hopefully we can keep this trend going. And best case would be this level holds. If not, we really would want to see this one. But the absolute must hold, no questions asked, is going to be this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting good reviews. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setup, straight ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody, and it's all free, so it's worth at least signing up and giving it a try. We've been making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to sign up and see what it's all about. One more time, this was GOIG. Thanks for listening.